Hi, first graders. Welcome to Tuesday. So we are back. Learning lesson 19. Yesterday we did our spelling words and the long O sound, right? We talked about long O in words that use OA and OW. And those are what all of your spelling words look like this week. Now today we will be doing our high frequency words. So let's get to it. All right, so here we are at lesson 19. Let's go to our high frequency words. So these are your words for this week. Work, great, talk, paper, were, soon, laugh, and done. So let's take a look at each one separately. So number one is work. You should read the word aloud with me and please read the sentence, okay? So let's read number one together. Work. People go to work every day. Work. W-O-R-K. Number two, great. She did a great job baking this cake. She looks pretty happy, doesn't she? Great. G-R-E-A-T. Number three, talk. He likes to talk with customers at his job. Talk, T-A-L-K. And that's one of those tricky words, talk, walk, because they have an L in there, but that L is totally silent. Number four, paper. This artist does his work on paper. Number five, were. The farmers were very busy today. Number six, soon. Soon it will be time to go to lunch. Number seven, laugh. A silly clown makes everyone laugh. And that's another tricky one because GH sounds like F in this case, right? Like laugh and enough. Sometimes GH can sound like F. Number eight, done. He goes home when the work is done. And that's a little tricky also because usually O-N-E could sound like own, right? Like stone or thrown. But in this case, it sounds like the short U sound, done. All right, so let's look at our words very quickly. Done, great, laugh, paper, soon, talk, were, and work. Okay, so I wanted to take a look and see if we have any homonyms in this list. And the only one that I see is number two. Great. And it would be a homophone, right? Because a homophone is the type of homonym that sounds the same, but it's spelled differently and it means something different. So great, spelled like this, G-R-E-A-T, could mean super or wonderful. There's another great, G-R-A-T-E, which would be like to grate cheese. All right, so let's take a look at the difference between those two homophones. So we have great, the first one is G-R-E-A-T, our high frequency word, or grate, G-R-A-T-E, which means to grate, for instance, cheese. So let's watch a video and see how you can grate cheese.
With a hard cheese like Parmesan, you can make thin slices using a vegetable peeler, create a fine grate with a microplane tool, or a large grate with a box grater. Alternatively, cut off a small piece and use a rotary grater to make a very fine grate. With a softer cheese like Gouda, you can make thin slices with a cheese plane tool, or make a large grate with a box grater.
Okay, so you saw what it looks like to grate cheese, right? Which would be Grate, the second one on the bottom. And please don't do that at home. If your parents let you and you do that with an adult, yes, but no knives. And those can still, just like it can cut cheese, it can cut your finger, the grater. So please don't use them at home, okay? I just want you to know what the word means. Okay, it is notebook time. So please go get your notebooks. Get the spiral notebooks that you wrote your spelling words in yesterday and meet me back here. You can pause me, go get your notebook, and come right back. Okay, so you are going to write your high frequency words in your notebook this time. So open up to your spelling words number 19 that you did yesterday, and they should be written on the left page. Now on your right page, please write HFW number 19 in the top margin, right on the line, nice and neat. And then write your high frequency words: done, great, laugh, paper, soon, talk, were, and work, down the left-hand side, okay? Please make sure that it's in a straight line. You skip lines and you are writing your numbers right next to the red margin line, all right? Now I wanna show you quickly, I will go back to this, but I wanna show you very quickly what you're going to be doing after this. And then I'll go back to this screen so you can write your words. When you are done with this, you are going to do workbook page 47. All right, it'll be very quick, just one page in your workbook. Then you have a packet, your vocabulary packet. I'll show you what it looks like. There are 3 pages. Again, it goes fast. There are only 10 questions, and you don't have to write the word on the line. You just have to fill in the bubble. If you want to write the word on the line, also you can, but you have to fill in the circle, okay? I want to get you used to that, because in the future you will have assignments or tests in school where you only fill in the circle. So I want to make sure that you get used to that. So please complete these vocabulary pages. It's 3 pages. Either your parents picked them up or they printed them out for you at home. They all have the date on top. It's pages 24, 25, and 26. And if you want, you may do the color by words to know. That's an option. You don't have to do that, but I know that a lot of you like it, so I decided to include them as some fun work for you if you want to do it. And you do also need to write 1 sentence for each high frequency word in your journal, okay? Which is not your spelling notebook, but the other one, the one that you brought to school with you in the beginning of the year. Please open it, go to the next blank page, write the date on the top. Okay, you can write the short date, which is 4/21/20. You see it right above me. Or you can write the long date, April 21, 2020, okay? And underneath, write 1 sentence for each word, or you can combine words in a sentence. Make sure you underline your high frequency word. And that is it. After you are done, actually, please have your parents send me a picture of your sentences in your journal. They can upload it to Class Dojo. That's the easiest way. Everything's in one place. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, it's time to write your high frequency words in your notebooks. So please pause the next screen so that you can copy the words into your notebooks, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.